All right, y'all, we're gonna jump straight into it. This is week 4 of Lent. All right, we knocking this Lent thing down, ain't we? Okay, we getting on right on through it. So this week we're gonna be making a cabbage soup, and I ain't even gonna lie, I didn't do as well as I was supposed to last week with my lemonade cleanse, but that's neither here nor there. We're gonna jump right into the ingredients for the cabbage soup. It's gonna be the meal prep for the week, and I ain't playing this week. This will be eating. We're gonna have a weigh-in at the end of this week. A lot of people say you can lose like 7 pounds if you eat this all week or whatever without exercise. So just get into it. So for this soup, I'm going to be using a head of cabbage, half a bunch of celery, a yellow pepper, a red pepper, white onion, garlic clove and a half, bouillon cubes. The seasonings, I may add more, but to start, garlic powder, pepper, and chili powder. About the chicken broth, you'll need like a carton and a half, olive oil, and then normally I do use fresh vegetables. In the wake of Corona, we're not even gonna get into that, but we're gonna be using green beans, mixed vegetables, diced tomatoes, corn, carrots, and tomato sauce. So this is all you need to make this soup, and we're gonna just jump straight in. Thing is opened, prepped, cut, chopped. This soup is super easy. It basically cuts itself. It basically cooks itself, and I guess in honor and paying homage of St. Patty's Day, since I can't eat corned beef and cabbage, since I'm just giving up the meat, we'll go ahead and make our cabbage soup. So first, this olive oil has been heating up. You'll add the onions first, you know, saute them on up. You add the veggies first. Celery will be last. And I'm sorry, I don't have like a, what's you want to call it? I don't know. Whatever kind of view for y'all, panoramic view, POV, whatever. I don't know. I gotta hold it. I have a tripod, but I don't know how to get it up on top of the stove and shit. I ain't fancy. We just very quickly gonna show y'all how I do my cabbage soup. Alright. So after that cooks for a few minutes. Oh, and check me out, y'all. I might have figured something out. You like my view now? My little angle? We're gonna add the garlic. Okay. Bam. Garlic in. Okay. So once that gets fragrant, then that's when we'll start adding more seasoning as well as our liquid ingredients. The cabbage will be the very, very last thing that you add to this. That garlic smells good. Chili powder. I'm an eyeballer. Sorry. When you make the same recipes over and over and over again, you just kind of know what it takes, what goes in them. This is garlic powder. This is one of my faves right here. Seasoned pepper. Ooh. And you got this on a medium heat. Alright, so now they're all translucent and all that good stuff. Smelling and looking amazing. Yes, veggies. Wonderful. I'm gonna pour half of the tomato sauce, right? Green beans, and you can do everything fresh. You can use all fresh ingredients if you like. Whatever is easier for you. And I told y'all in the wake of Corona what I was dealing with at the store, so it just is what it is. Half of another one. I usually use the boxes that are like 2 pounds, so how many of the ounces? And that will be, and I'm actually gonna cut this fire up, cut the heat up now. Okay, broth in, bam. Rest of sauce. I don't know, you grandma cooks these. Put you one of these up in here, some extra flavor. Sprinkle some black pepper, and I'm gonna show y'all my favorite salt that I cook with. Oh goodness, these things be so hard open. Just drop it on in. This is the salt, like instead of Lori's, this is the salt that I cook with, and I use on almost every and anything. We're gonna add some of this. That's the end of it. I need some more. Got it going in. I don't know, cabbage to make its own water. It's gonna sweat down and add some water to this pot. So Right now it's almost to the top, so I haven't added the other broth just yet. It's up to the brim. I'm up to the brim of the pot. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna put the lid on it. And we shall return. That's pretty much it. Hey guys, so once the soup has simmered for a nice amount of time, or even before you start to simmer it, I get my ladle and I put my 7,000 seasonings of the sea. Just oregano, garlic pepper, salt, pepper, crushed red pepper, all that good stuff, and just add it on in there. Look at how nice this looks, so guys. Oh. Yes, so heavy into this fast and diet life right now. I have to treat myself. These are so good. It's like dessert. Okay, I'm telling you. Forget the Jiffy. This is where it's at right here. So meals prepped for the week. Lunch is ready to go, and this is dinner for tonight. Yes.